Passport Health was founded in 1994 in Baltimore, and the goal was to provide first-class preventive medical care for international travel and vaccine-preventable diseases. In 2002, Dr. Aletha Tippett and I bought the franchise from Passport Health for the Southwest Ohio and Northern Kentucky area and opened it in late 2002 and have since grown from that initial office location to 5 locations throughout Dayton, Cincinnati, and Northern Kentucky. When we first started, we ended up with 2 part-time employees, a nurse for the travel counseling and some admin to help us with scheduling. And over the course of the years, we've grown to now we have 8 people that work a mix of full and part-time for us year-round. We also increased by another 10 to 20 during flu season to provide the on-site flu immunization clinics. Definitely we've got some plans to continue our growth and expansion, and specifically in 2014 we're looking to add another office somewhere between Dayton and Cincinnati to further improve the access of people in the area to our travel, health, and immunization services. We've been a member of the Cincinnati Regional Chamber since 2002. Actually, we joined before we opened the doors of our first office. It was important to us to send a message that we were going to be providing first-class services, and we thought being a chamber member helped support that message. In addition, we looked at a number of the member benefits and were very interested in specifically the business list. We bought a list in 2002, and that was instrumental in our first year's on-site flu immunization clinics to companies. And since that time, we've used the business list several times to help us with our marketing efforts. In addition, we also really like to use the savings programs. Early on were members with the Office Supply Savings Program, and in recent years have also participated in the Electric Purchase Program and the Workers' Compensation Savings. If someone's considering joining the Cincinnati USA Regional Chamber, I would suggest they just really look at the member benefits and take a look at the various options and see how they might be able to use and leverage those benefits for their company, whether it be like us for the savings program or the business list, or maybe it's some networking options, and make that assessment.